Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit money on Revolut card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, you can add money to your Revolut card using your card, your cash, and you can also, so those are the methods you can do. Now the easier would be the card one. So for that, all you gotta do is go to the Revolut app's home screen. Once you have signed in, tap the add money option. You simply have to choose the currency of your card and then enter the amount you desire that you want to deposit. You simply have to tap change if you want to change the currency. Otherwise, select a saved card, or you can tap debit card to add a new card information, and then simply have to confirm the payment method. You might have to verify yourself to add the money from your card. Once you're verified and confirm the transaction, your money will be added. You can go back to your home screen and check it out as well. Now the next thing is using cash. So to do that, you have to again go to your app, and then you have to go to the home screen, then have to tap add money, then select deposit cash. Afterwards, you simply have to agree to pay safe's terms and conditions, then have to enter the amount you want to deposit. The app will simply generate a barcode. You have to send the barcode at a retail partner of yours. Then once the retail partner have received the barcode, you have to pay the amount in cash, and they will send the money to your Revolut, and you will receive the balance right away. It will only take 10 minutes for it to be done. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.